Have you ever wondered who actually owns art created by AI? Is it the person typing the prompt, the developer of the system, or the AI itself? So, who really owns this image? Is it the AI that created, the company that developed the program, or maybe you, the one who just typed the prompt? First, let's understand what AI art really is. It refers to artwork generated by artificial intelligence models trained on massive datasets, image, text, and original artworks. When the user submits a prompt, the system processes it and creates a new piece of art. The AI learns patterns, style, and structures from the training data to generate something new. Here's the tricky part. Even though the work is technically created by AI, humans are always involved behind the scene. Prompt writer, developer, and controllers. The question is, who actually holds the right to this artwork? Some argue that AI is a new kind of artist. It's learned from millions of data points, generates novel ideas, and expresses them like a human. If it creates a work on its own, shouldn't it have a right to what it produces? Others argue that AI is just a tool. Everything it does is guided by human instruction. It is humans, after all, who should hold the rights to the work. Another perspective in the AI copyright debate suggests that AI should be recognized as the creator of its work, or that such work should fall into the public domain. If AI can generate a creative work without significant human decision-making or input, some argue that the AI itself should be recognized as the true creator. Projects like the Artificial Inventor Project have attempted to register a patent naming an AI called DABAS as the inventor, testing whether the law can recognize an AI creator. Many experts argue that if a work lacks human creative input, it cannot qualify for copyright protection and automatically becomes part of the public domain. Reports from Coley and Bird note that under US law, no one currently owns AI-created work, not the model creator, not the AI, and not even the prompter. If AI is allowed to own creative works, large corporations could monopolize vast libraries of AI-generated content, reducing the motivation for human artists to create new works. In reality, a work created with absolutely no human involvement is rare. Humans almost always influence the result through prompts or selection. When the work is co-created by human and AI, how should legal systems define ownership? This hybrid scenario is one of the most complex new challenges. This type views humans as creative agents. Although AI generates the output, it is humans who define ideas, theme, and style, a process that embodies creativity. The US Copyright Office states that work with adequate human control are eligible for registration. Humans remain the guiding creative force, even when AI assists in production.
A key challenge is determining the threshold of human input. Is a short prompt enough? There are also accountability concerns when AI unintentionally reproduces copyrighted material. From this case, it's clear that legal systems still follow the traditional principle. Humans are the creator of works, but as AI plays a larger role, new questions arise every day, whether it's about training data right or the boundary of human-AI co-creation. In the future, law may need to adapt to recognize the new reality of the AI era. Humans are the art director of every image, choosing the style, the color, and the emotion that bring into life. But sometimes AI creates something new without being told. It may be becoming an artist in its own day. Perhaps the answer isn't who, but both. Human and AI two creators sharing one vision. If AI were granted ownership rights, tech companies could amass enormous amount of the intellectual property, from images and videos to entire dataset of inputs. Human artists could be pushed out of the market as AI generates countless work in seconds, cheaper and faster. current copyright systems are not ready for this challenge. AI learns from massive datasets that may contain copyrighted materials, raising question of unintentional infringement. Another view is that humans should always be the legal owners as long as their input or intervention is significant enough. New laws may be needed requiring disclosure of AI use, fair credit sharing, and revenue distribution. Some countries like the United States are now studying new policies to define rights in AI-assisted works. These are the open questions the world still struggles with about data, style, authorship, and accountability. There is still no clear answers. Most laws say that only humans can hold copyright, yet AI-generated works are already being sold and valued in the art market. If AI creates something so beautiful that we can tell the difference, so what do you think who deserves the honor and the reward?